Hello, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be finding the value of x given this equation, which is what? 10. This symbol here is factorial. 10 factorial over 6 factorial is equal to x factorial. Now, what is factorial? In mathematics, the factorial of n is denoted as n factorial. And this is the product of whole numbers from 1 up till n. So for example, 5 factorial would be 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5. But usually it is written like this. 5 factorial, you start from 5 and you multiply by descending integers up to what? 1. So in the same vein, if you ask to get 3 factorial, you do what? 3 times 2 times 1. Now that said, I want us to go back to the equation and let's get the value of x. Now for 10 factorial, I'm going to write 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 factorial. The reason why I'm stopping at 6 factorial is because I already have 6 factorial in the denominator and I know that they can cancel out. To avoid me writing it down to 1, I'll just stop at 6 factorial. Look at this, they cancel out. So what do I have? 10 times 9 times 8 times 7, all is equal to what? X factorial. Now let's multiply these numbers and let's see what that will give us. To save time, I'm going to do it with a calculator and the answer is what? 5040 is equal to x factorial. Now the question is, how do we get x? Because this is x factorial, not x. So we need to get the value of x and not x factorial. It means that we must find a number whose factorial will give us what? 5040. Now there are different things you can do, but I want to introduce you to something called the reverse factorial. You know, for factorial, you are multiplying descending integers. Like for example, you want to do 5 factorial. It will be 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. But if you are using the reverse factorial, I'm going to pick 5040 and now start dividing this number by ascending integers. So I will start from 1. And then, of course, if you do 5040 divided by 1, you get what? 5040. So you now divide by 2. See, ascending integers. We are divided by ascending integers. The opposite of what? Factorial. So if you divide 5040 by 2, you get 2520. So you now divide it by what? By 3. So when you divide 2520 by 3, you are going to get 840. Now, what do you think you divide 840 by? The next integer, which is 4. So if you divide 840 by 4, you get 210. You divide this by 5. You keep going until you get to 1. So when you divide 210 by 5, you get 42. And you divide this by 6. You divide 42 by 6, you get 7. You divide 7 by what? By 7. What 7 divided by 7 is what? 1. So this is the point where we are going to stop. And the divisor is what? 7. Let me say that again. The divisor is 7. Hence, 7 factorial will give us 5040. So this is how the reverse factorial works. So what this means is that 5040 is equal to 7 factorial. And this is equal to what? X factorial. So if we pick just this, we decide to cancel out the factorials. It means that the value of x that will satisfy the equation is what? 7. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, kindly subscribe to this channel and ensure to share our videos with your friends and family. I hope to see you in the next one, and it's bye for now.